Hello, welcome to 2 Minute Stories. This episode is about a PRV problem. It's a real case study which I have experienced early stage of my career. I was responsible for constructing a plant for an APA company which had 24 different reactors. Each of these reactors have a pressure relief valve, PRV, a safety mechanism which is used to relieve pressure when it goes beyond a set point in order to avoid the explosion of the reactors. I was not only project engineer, I have also done procurement there. We have got very nice discount for the company, and this material came to site, and then we were about to fit that onto the reactors. However, when we tested each of these PRVs, one after another, everything gets failed. It is not popping up in that particular set pressure, and we are all perplexed. The instrumentation guy saying that these equipments are not of any use, and then you have negotiated heavily, so they send some poor quality material. The vendor's representative is saying that no, we don't have different standard. We are an international company. We have very high standards of equipments. Finally, we couldn't solve it on there. Then we called the CEO of the company. He came on the next week. We all assembled together to just see what could be the problem. So that CEO of the company, he went through this one after another. And then he said, finally, can we test the master pressure gauge? Initially, our instrumentation guy was reluctant, but finally, without any option, he said that let us get it tested. And when we got this tested, we understood that master pressure gauge was not working properly. And that led to the failure of all these PRVs. In spite of this, master pressure gauge got calibrated just before starting up this activity. Then we got that fixed, and then each of these equipment worked very fine, and then we completed the job. The moral of the story is, when there is a problem, understand the problem thoroughly before taking sides or start finding for a victim. And every time you need not have opportunity to call your higher officials to solve your problem. We'll have to solve our problems ourselves. And obviously, when team comes together with open mind, the solution would be there. Since mind is like a parachute, it only works when it opens. Thank you. We will meet in another episode like this.